Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Google Workspace to the TMetric time tracker in 3 simple steps and track time with one mouse click. First, I install the TMetric browser plugin and configure its settings to enable time tracking for external systems. Now, I can monitor time spent on meetings and business trips scheduled in Google Calendar. Simply find the TMetric timer button by clicking on any calendar event. In Gmail, TMetric helps measure my productivity level if I use email correspondence extensively in the daily communications with clients. Any note can be a task or a to-do list that might take too long to complete. If you are pursuing productivity and completing your notes, then TMetric will definitely help you. Also, I can track how much time I spend writing, translating, or proofreading articles, or creating reports in Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, etc. By clicking the TMetric timer in any Google app in the workspace, the Start Timer button changes to the Stop Timer button, and all the time spent working on the event, document, or email will be logged in TMetric. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.